Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Steaming hot and full of flavor, buuz are more than just dumplings in Mongolia. They're a symbol of tradition and community, especially during the festive Tsagaan Sar, or Lunar New Year. These delightful parcels, typically filled with seasoned meat and encased in delicate dough, bring people together. You'll often find families gathered, preparing hundreds of buuz for celebrations, a true labor of love. This video will walk you through the history, how they're made, and the deep cultural meaning behind Mongolia's beloved buuz. Get ready to discover why these dumplings are a staple at every Mongolian table. What are Mongolian buuz? A culinary overview. Buuz are classic Mongolian steamed dumplings, a food that holds a special place in the country's culinary traditions. Think of them as savory pockets of flavor, typically filled with seasoned minced meat. These delightful dumplings are a staple, often appearing at family gatherings and celebrations across Mongolia. Their appearance is simple yet inviting, usually a rounded shape with a small pleat at the top, perfectly steamed to a delicate finish. When you bite into a buuz, you experience a comforting taste, a savory blend that is both hearty and incredibly satisfying. The heart of the matter, buuz fillings. The magic of buuz truly begins with its filling, which is almost always a testament to traditional Mongolian flavors. The primary ingredients are meat, usually beef or mutton, or sometimes a combination of both. It's fascinating how the meat is finely minced rather than ground. This crucial detail gives buuz its unique texture, providing a more substantial bite compared to other dumplings. Seasonings are kept simple to let the natural flavor of the meat shine. You'll typically find a blend of onion, garlic, salt, and black pepper. These ingredients work together to enhance the savory notes. Sometimes, a small amount of animal fat is added to the mixture. This addition ensures the filling remains incredibly juicy and moist after steaming. Some cooks even mix in a bit of water or broth for that extra burst of moisture, keeping the filling tender and flavorful. The perfect wrapper, buuz dough. The outer layer of a buuz might seem simple, but it is just as important as the filling. The dough for buuz is traditionally made from a straightforward combination of flour and water. This creates a dough that needs to be pliable enough to work with yet strong enough to encase the flavorful filling. The key is to roll it out thinly. This ensures that the dough does not overpower the taste of the meat inside. It also allows the filling to be the star. The process involves shaping small portions of dough into thin, circular wrappers. These delicate circles are then ready to cradle the seasoned meat, ultimately becoming the beloved Mongolian buuz. A taste of tradition, cultural significance of buuz. Buuz are much more than a tasty meal in Mongolia. They hold a special place in the country's heart, connecting people through shared meals and traditions. These humble dumplings become a symbol of family, hospitality, and celebration, woven into the very fabric of Mongolian culture. Buuz and Tsagaan Sar, New Year's feast. The connection between buuz and Tsagaan Sar, the Lunar New Year, is incredibly deep. This is perhaps Mongolia's most important holiday, a time for families to gather and honor traditions. Weeks before the celebration, households begin a substantial task. They prepare hundreds, sometimes even thousands, of buuz. These are then frozen and stored, ready to be steamed and enjoyed throughout the festival. Making buuz for Tsagaan Sar is a true communal event. Family members gather, each person taking on a role in the assembly line. Some roll dough, others mince meat, and many more expertly pinch the edges to form the perfect dumpling shape. It is a time for storytelling, laughter, and strengthening family bonds. When the festival arrives, these stored buuz become the centerpiece of shared meals, symbolizing prosperity and togetherness for the new year. Family gatherings and hospitality. In Mongolian culture, buuz are a profound expression of hospitality and welcome. When guests arrive, particularly for special occasions, serving buuz is a gesture of deep respect and generosity. It shows that the host values their visitors and is offering the best they have. Serving boots often marks significant moments. Celebrations. Birthdays, weddings, and graduations often feature boots as a main dish. Family reunions. When extended family comes together, a large platter of boots is almost guaranteed. Honoring guests. Offering boots is a traditional way to honor important visitors or elders. This practice reinforces the communal value of boots. It is a dish meant to be shared, fostering warmth and connection among those at the table. Eating boots together strengthens relationships and creates lasting memories, making it far more than just food. These dumplings bring families together and keep ancient customs alive. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.